Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be planning in my wellness planner for the week of the 22nd through the 28th. This was how last week turned out. So let's get started. Let's pull these out. And I will be using these washies from the new Healthy Hero line, as well as the Healthy Hero little fitness sticker pack and the original fitness. And then I have all of my rolls of fitness washi. So let's get started. So, I think that is it for the week. Let's see how it looks in my planner. looks good. And these are those journaling cards that I just laminated, so you can kind of move them around just for whatever. So I like the way it turned out. And then this is my little mood tracker. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. But please like and subscribe this video if you'd like to see more. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you next time.